In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Riot account region on Wild Rift. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, go to the Riot Games support page at www.support.riotgames.com. In here, scroll down until you see the League of Legends Wild Rift support. As you can see, currently in region of open beta. Open this up, and after you arrive at this page, simply search for America's Rest of World and press enter. As you can see, you should see this first frequently asked questions. America's/Rest of World servers frequently asked questions. As you can see, the first option tells us what we need to know. Your account will be automatically assigned to a server the first time you log into Wild Rift. Once it's associated with either the Americas or the rest of the world, it cannot be transferred. However, even though most of the time you cannot switch servers on Wild Rift, if you still believe you have a valid reasons to switch servers, in this same page that you arrived, America/Rest of World, just scroll all the way down and click on this red button at the bottom of the page, Send Us a Ticket. You will be redirected once again, and in here you have to do a request type, that being recover my account or anything related to the account management server. Select whichever option you think is best when it comes to your personal issue and proceed on by including an email address to talk to them, the region, the access to your account, etc. Afterwards, only the customer support will be able to help you transfer your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Riot account region on Wild Rift. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.